This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osu Rover. This exciting game mode challenges your rhythm and coordination as you pilot a spaceship through a dynamic course. Your main goal is to skillfully navigate, avoid hazards, and collect valuable items to maximize your score. It offers a fresh and engaging experience for players seeking a different kind of rhythm challenge, requiring both precision and quick thinking. Mastering the controls is key to success in Osu Rover. You will use your mouse to guide your spaceship left and right across the screen, avoiding incoming obstacles. A quick press of the left mouse button provides a temporary speed boost, useful for dodging or reaching distant items. Focus on fluid, precise movements to maintain control and achieve high scores. To achieve a high score, focus on collecting the glowing orbs scattered throughout the track. These increase your points and score multiplier. Be vigilant and steer clear of the red obstacles, as hitting them will damage your spaceship and break your combo. Successfully passing through gates helps maintain your combo chain, which is crucial for maximizing your overall score. For advanced play, always look ahead to anticipate upcoming obstacles and plan your movements. Utilize short, controlled bursts of your boost for precise adjustments, rather than long, sustained presses. Familiarizing yourself with different map layouts will allow you to optimize your flight path and find the most efficient routes. Regular practice is essential for improving your reaction time and overall consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.